So guys, this is my special video straight from Venice, Italy. Top location, top properties, number one. Look at these views, amazing. The amazing part is that the road, no potholes whatsoever. Look at this, air suspension, water suspension, no Mercedes Airmatic, just water suspension. Look at this, amazing. And now on the way to the railway station.
No, grazie.
We see everything, beautiful ladies. We see channels. Those beautiful ladies here. Sorry. And narrow streets. Amazing Venice. This is the real shit. Travel bloggers 100. If you visited Venice before, please drop me a comment. I'd love to hear your opinion about this destination. Have you visited Piazza San Marco? I feel like the place is going under the water, but mega construction projects keep it above the water. For how long, I don't know. You can see beautiful views here in Venice. And we are now very close to the station, to the railway station. This dog had a poop, quite expected. Midday, time to poop in Venice. People having a drink in the afternoon. A lot of tourists, a lot of beautiful ladies, and the last bridge before the station. People having some good time. Sunny weather in the middle of June. A lot of people. Let me get close to the channel. Get a close view to this beautiful building, the bridge itself, the water, all the water taxis. Amazing views, really. Now let's go up on the bridge and see how's the view from above. I think it's gonna be a very nice movie from Venice. Look at this beautiful channel. A lot of nice vibes in the sunny weather. Now we're gonna go on the other side, so you can take a look on the other side. Some pink sites, and now, and down there is the train station. You see, and a lot of people. So many people. Let's get close to the train station because we are approaching time. Or that was not expected, to get a train back on the mainland. You can see a lot of different fashion styles here in Venice, people from all over the world. That's the amazing part about Venice. People from Europe, from Asia, from North America, South America, literally everywhere, every part of the world is here in Venice. Some shops, coffee shops, souvenirs, we have it all. Thank you guys, and see you from the next destination.